How to prioritize your to-do list. One of the things to help you be more productive is to help you prioritize your to-do list. Many of us have a to-do list with a list of things that we need to get done, and we start in different places, but sometimes at the end of the day we feel like we haven't got a lot achieved. So what we want to do is prioritize it, and that means we look at the things that need to be done today and we give them an A. So you look at your list, and everything that absolutely must be done today, you can give the letter A. And then you look at things that perhaps we would like done today, but could wait until tomorrow, have a little less urgency, and we put the letter B in front of them. And then things that could wait perhaps till the end of the week or a few more days, and that don't have that same tight schedule on them, they could be letter C. Now the thing to do is prioritize all of the A's with a number. So we take the A's, and the most important thing that needs to be done, we put a 1 in front of that A. And then the next most important thing, we put the number 2. And then we put the number 3, and so on down all of the A's. Once we've done that, we do the same with the B's. B1, B2, B3. And then with the C's. C1, C2, C3. Now the key is that we do this and complete this list the night before. We don't want to wake up in the morning getting into it. Have it completed the night before. So when you wake up in the morning, you have your list in front of you, it's prioritized, and now what you need to do is start with A1 and stick with A1. Do not get distracted into anything else. Stick with that A1 until it is completed and all the way through. Once you've done that, you'll feel good, reward yourself a little bit, and then move on into A2 and A3 and so on. What doesn't get done, but you'll find you will have achieved much more by following this little prioritizing system. Now I'm always open to new ways, and I'm always interested to see how this helps other people. So please feel free, put your comments down below, and I will answer those comments as I read them.